So you're telling me that I can't drive around with my AR-15? That's alright. Because I have an AR pistol. What's up YouTube, ShakiTheGunGuy here, and today we're going to be giving you a quick view of my AR-15 pistol. Now this gun, I built this from head to toe. There's some of the sights that I used for this build. It was Palmetto State Armory and Cheaper Than Dirt. Now that's just the build, not including some of the accessories that I put on it, okay? But let me show you guys my AR pistol. Yep, this is my AR-15 pistol. Has the adjustable pistol brace right here. Goes fully out. Then it closes all the way back in, and it also has a strap. So you can go ahead and put your arm in here like this and stabilize it just like you would a pistol. I also have a nice sight on it, flashlight. I have a hand extension right here. Also have a nice looking bulk carrier group in there. But yep, this is my AR pistol. I'll give you guys a complete 360 of the gun. I'll also show you guys, of course, it's not loaded, safety first, but yeah, look at this beauty right here. And if you're wondering how long this barrel is an 8-inch barrel. Now, when it comes to AR pistols, there is no regulation on barrel length. Now, when you have an AR-15 with a buttstock, then to have it a legal AR-15 and not a short barrel rifle, you would have to have a barrel that is 16 inches or longer. If you want an AR-15 that is considered a short barrel rifle, you just have to pay your tax stamp on it, which is about $200. Or you could just build an AR pistol. But hey, the call is yours. But this is mine. It's ShakiTheGunGuy here. I appreciate you for watching, and have a good day.